Analyze. Meaning to examine something in detail. The scientist will analyze the data to understand the results of the experiment. Benefit. Meaning a positive outcome or advantage. Regular exercise has many benefits for your health. Conclude. Meaning to come to a decision or end based on evidence or reasoning. After examining all the facts, the detective was able to conclude who the culprit was. Debate. Meaning a formal discussion of opposing viewpoints. The class had a debate about the advantages and disadvantages of technology in education. Element. Meaning a fundamental or essential part of something. Oxygen is a vital element for human survival. Factor. Meaning a circumstance or element that contributes to a result. Lack of sleep can be a significant factor in poor academic performance. Global. Meaning relating to the entire world or planet. Climate change is a global issue that affects every country. Hypothesis. Meaning an educated guess or explanation that can be tested through experimentation. The scientist's hypothesis was proven correct after conducting multiple trials. Identify. Meaning to recognize or determine what something is. Can you identify the main idea of this paragraph? Juxtapose. Meaning to place side by side for comparison or contrast. The artist juxtaposed bright colors with dark shades to create a striking visual effect. Kinetic. Meaning relating to motion or movement. The kinetic energy of the moving car was converted into heat when the brakes were applied. Lethargic. Meaning feeling sluggish or lacking energy. After a long day, I felt too lethargic to do anything but lie on the couch. Modify. Meaning to make changes or alterations. The teacher allowed us to modify our essay based on the feedback. Negate. Meaning to deny the truth or effectiveness of something. The evidence presented in court negated the defendant's claims of innocence. Objective. Meaning something aimed at or sought a goal. The objective of the research project was to find a solution to the environmental issue. Perverse. Meaning present or spread widely throughout an area or group. The pervasive influence of social media is evident in the way people communicate. Qualitative. Meaning relating to the quality or characteristics of something. The scientist used qualitative observations to describe the texture, color, and smell of the substance. Rational. Meaning based on reason or logical thinking. Making a rational decision requires weighing the pros and cons carefully.